Hi folks, this is Hyman, and today I want to talk to you about two candle patterns that show which overall direction a pair will head for the upcoming days. And just using a random example, I happen to be on the US dollar index daily chart, and so these are all daily candles that we're looking at. The first pattern I want to talk to you about is the evening star. The evening star pattern is a three candle pattern, and I've drawn these lines on the chart and bracketed the three candles so that you can see which one. So your chart will not normally have these brackets on there. I physically literally drawn them on there. But it's an easy candle pattern to see with the eye because it has a lot of momentum at the first of the pattern and the last of the pattern, and it's a very transitionary period in the middle. So the evening pattern has a very long upward body candle, so a very long body upward, followed by a very small bodied candle, which this is a doji, which shows indecision, followed by a large downward bodied candle. So I would say blue and green because that's what they are on my charts, but or blue and red rather, but yours might be green and red or whatever. So, but an up candle, large bodied up candle, a small bodied candle, followed by a large down move bodied candle, and this shows a key reversal. And so what you do is after the third candle closes, you can look for an entry point. Even if you look for your entry on a smaller time frame, you can do that. But the point is that this is most likely a key reversal point, and in the upcoming days, overall, the pair will likely head lower. And of course, you'll see, it treaded sideways for a little bit, ticked up a bit, and then started its big move lower. So that was over the course of, took the next 3, 4, 5 days to head lower, but look at the fall that came afterwards. The next pattern is the morning star pattern, which is the exact opposite. It's the changing of a downtrend to an uptrend. And so you have a large red-bodied candle or a large down candle, and the key is to focus is the body of the candle, followed by a small-bodied candle. Again, it happens to be a doji here, and then a large up-bodied candle or a large blue candle in this case. And so again, a very key momentum shifter from a swift shift in downward momentum to a swift shift in upward momentum. The long bodied candles are easy to spot with the eye, and you just make sure there's 3 of them there with one on either side with the small body candle in the middle. And look at what happened in the upcoming days. This one took off, pulled back and consolidated, took off some more, and I mean it just went. This one happened to go for months, and then and of course this one back here ended up going immediately for, I would say, a couple of weeks, and ultimately maybe about a month after that. Here we are with another evening star, a large up body candle, a doji, small body candle in other words, and a doji will look sort of like a plus sign. They can have a little bit of a body to them, it's fine, but the body needs to be small. And then you've got the large body candle that comes right after it. And again, this one just took off and kept on going, never looked back for the next, probably a couple of weeks or so at least. It could arguably be a month. So it shows you your overall direction once the trend is confirmed, and these are your key reversal patterns here, the evening star and the morning star. And so even if you're trading smaller time frames, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour charts, whatever, or if you're trading off daily charts, it just shows you where your bias likely should be. So after a morning star completes and the third candle closes, your bias should be looking for buy signals, and after the third candle closes on the evening star, you should be your bias should be to look for shorting signals. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to click on the link at the bottom just below the video to find out more about our services. Bye-bye.